In this series, we'll meet machines that relax us as we watch them work and surprise us with their capabilities. We start the first episode with laser cleaning machines, which we believe almost everyone will watch with satisfaction. The working principle of laser cleaning machines, which have many types and are available in many different areas, is based on using concentrated laser radiation to evaporate impurities from the layer. Laser cleaning is a non-contact, non-abrasive method that is very gentle on the material's surface. Take a close look to see how it removes rust, which is known to be the hardest to clean. You can quickly clean machine rust as if you had a lightsaber. You can also use a similar portable machine that performs the same function. This handheld laser cleaning machine, which is quite powerful, never harms the surface of the material it cleans. The rust and grease are affected by ultra-short laser pulses, which generate heat and heat-induced pressure. The high temperature inside the material creates a high pressure that causes it to evaporate. So can these laser cleaning machines clean more sensitive products? Yes. The laser cleaning machine can clean even the glass-blowing mold surprisingly fast and make it brighter than it has ever been. Cleaning glass molds is a very demanding application in terms of gentleness and precision, so blasting with any abrasive media is out of the question. But one of the most impressive cleaning areas is the process it performs on wooden details. The laser cleaning machine is another excellent way to remove varnish from complex geometric surfaces. Another area where laser cleaning is used is the cleaning of automobile components. The machine is sufficiently gentle on the base material that it can be used on any surface, from the car's engine parts to the door. Laser cleaning machines are popular not only for the pleasure they provide when used, but also because they